In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates on Payhip. We'll start inside your Canva account. Open the template you want to sell and look to the top right of the editor for the share button. Click on share and in the dropdown, find the access level. It might currently say something like only you can access. Click that and change it to anyone with the link. This is important because your customers need to be able to open the template without requesting access. Once you've set it to anyone with the link, you'll see another field next to it that might be set to Can Edit. Click that and change it to Can View. This ensures buyers get their own copy instead of editing your original file. When that's done, click the Copy Link button to copy your template link. Next, you'll prepare a PDF file that your customers will download. You can use a simple tool like Google Docs or Google Sheets for this. Give your file a clear name so you can easily find it later. Inside the document, add your template title at the top, then paste the clickable Canva link you copied earlier. You might want to label it clearly, like click here to access your template. Beneath that, write some short, friendly instructions on how they can open the link, make a copy, and use the template in their own Canva account. When you're happy with it, go to the top left, click File, choose Download, and then select PDF document. This PDF will be the digital product your customers receive. Now, log into your Payhip admin dashboard. At the top, click on Products. You'll see your product list, and on the top right, there's a button that says Add New Product. Click that, and on the next page, choose Digital Product. Inside the product editor, click Upload Product File. A pop-up will open so you can locate the PDF file you just downloaded. Select it and click Open. Then set a product title that clearly describes your Canva template, and beside it, enter your template price. Next, click Upload Product Image to add a visual to your product page. Choose a relevant image, ideally a mock-up or preview of your template, then click Open. After that, add a detailed product description. Since rich text is supported, you can use paragraphs, spacing, and simple formatting to explain what's included and who it's for. Finally, set the product visibility to visible, invisible, or unlisted, depending on whether you're ready to launch. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Add Product. Your Canva template is now set up and ready to sell on Payhip.